كيفكن؟ شو الأخبار؟ بتمنى تكونوا بألف خير. أنا سامر from Yalla Arabee team and I'm going today to teach you something you already learned with me. So the Yalla Arabee verbs that we have talked already about it. So we said Yalla Arabee verbs, which is the irregular verbs. We have picked all the verbs, the irregular, put it in the group, and we called it Yalla Arabee verbs, just to make it easy for us to memorize it and as well for the pronunciation. Because if we say Yalla Arabee verbs, we're talking about verbs has vowel letters, verbs has just two letters, the root, verbs has shaddi, verbs has more than three letters. Okay? So we started with the verbs has vowel letters in the present and in the past. Why are we talking about Yalla Arabee verbs? Because we should know it helps too much for the pronunciation to memorize it. Okay? Because it's changing in the future, continual verb, present, past, and imperative verb. That's why we should know. For the Yalla Arabee verbs, we have talked about it as well as a grammar بكون, because it different, not like English. يعني I say أنا أستاذ, I am teacher. I don't really need to say أنا بكون أستاذ. I have to say أنا بكون أستاذ in certain situations that we have already talked. There is a video about the بكون. Okay? You go to the playlist and you search about بكون to know exactly what are we talking about. And بكون, it has vowel letters. If you notice, this is the root بكون. بكون, which has vowel letters. So in the past, as we said, we delete the imperfects and we delete the vowel letters and we add T. That's why we made it kind. Some people, they don't know this grammar. They just know I was أنا كنت and that's it. Okay, just to know from where كنت it came. So كنت, أنت كنت, أنتي كنتي, أنتو كنتو, نحنا كنا, هو كان, because we said for هو the wow becomes a. If there is wow or e becomes a, that's why can, he was, هي كانت, هن كان. تمام؟ مثلا أنا بكون مبسوط لما تكون مبسوط. I am happy when you are happy. So something related to time, you use بكون. صح? We have talked about it. You, if you didn't watch this one before, please go and watch it because you're not gonna be understand us. Okay? In Arabic we say مثل الأطرش بالزفي. مثل الأطرش بالزفي. So for some people he doesn't understand what we are talking about. So we say مثل الأطرش بالزفي, like الأطرش, I guess the mute, which is the one that deaf, which is the one who doesn't hear. بالزفي in the wedding. مثل الأطرش بالزفي. So to don't be مثل الأطرش بالزفي, so go and watch the verbs. Yalla Arabee verbs and verb بكون to know what are we talking about. هلا كنت, if I want to give an example, I say كنت بالضيعة امبارح. I was at the village yesterday. تمام? So it was fast explanation about, not about, but between the بكون and كنت and where كنت comes from. شوفكن الأسبوع الجاي أو الدرس الجاي, يمكن بكرة, maybe tomorrow, and I hope you are going well. سامر من يلا عربي.